Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Questrade. Specifically, we're going to be diving into the topic of account maintenance fees. So, are there any account maintenance fees on Questrade? Well, the answer is not as simple as a yes or no. It depends on the type of account you have and how active you are in the account. Let's start with the basics. Questrade offers two main types of accounts, self-directed accounts and managed accounts. Self-directed accounts are for investors who want to manage their own investments. Managed accounts are for investors who want a team of professionals to manage their investments for them. Self-directed accounts. Self-directed accounts have no account maintenance fees. However, there may be other fees associated with your account, such as trading fees or currency exchange fees. Managed accounts. Managed accounts have a monthly account maintenance fee. The fee varies depending on the amount of money you have invested in your account. Inactivity fees. In addition to the fees mentioned above, Questrade may also charge an inactivity fee if your account is inactive for a certain period of time. An inactive account is one that has not had any trades or deposits made to it for a period of 12 months. So, what does this all mean for you? If you're considering opening a Questrade account, it's important to understand the different fees that may apply. If you're an active trader, you may want to consider a self-directed account. If you're not an active trader, you may want to consider a managed account. Here are some additional things to keep in mind. Questrade offers a variety of account types, so it's important to choose the one that's right for you. You can find more information about Questrade's fees on their website. It's always a good idea to shop around and compare fees from different brokers before opening an account. There are no account maintenance fees on Questrade's self-directed accounts. However, there may be other fees associated with your account, such as trading fees or currency exchange fees. Managed accounts have a monthly account maintenance fee. In addition, Questrade may also charge an inactivity fee if your account is inactive for a certain period of time. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.